Westhaven, Fieldstone Farms, downtown Franklin. Different neighborhoods, same Tennessee storms. Between hailstorms rolling through Williamson County every spring and roofs on those beautiful older homes near downtown Franklin pushing 30 years old, a lot of neighbors are one storm away from a big problem. And with new crews chasing Franklin's growth boom, it's hard to know who to trust. That's where we come in. We are Alex and Courtney. We're not flying in from out of state. We live up the road in Spring Hill. We've worked on roofs from Carruthers Parkway to Harlansdale Farm, from brand new builds in Berry Farms to classic homes lining Fair Street. Rover Roofing has been serving Franklin families for over 10 years, from full roof replacements to standing seam metal roofing built for Tennessee weather. As a veteran-owned husband and wife team, we sit down, walk your roof, and give you a straight answer. No pressure, no pushy sales pitch. And if a storm's involved, we handle the insurance claim conversation for you. We've completed over 1,000 roofs across Middle Tennessee. We're CertainTeed certified, and we're licensed right here in Tennessee, contractor license 12890. Ask around Westhaven, Berry Farms, or Fieldstone Farms. Chances are a neighbor's already given us 5 stars. If your roof's due for a checkup, let's take a look. Free, no obligation. Call 615-392-4503 or visit redroverroofingco.com. We're your neighbors in Spring Hill, and we'd love to earn your trust too.